Milad-Un-Nabi is being celebrated with religious ardor. Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan shed light on the teachings of Prophet Mohammad, peace be upon him, today on Friday. New Zealand has voted to legalize euthanasia in what campaigners call the victory for compassion and kindness. In Pakistan, on Eid Milad-Un-Nabi, government grant 30 days remission to prisoner. The USA continued its dubious distinctions of having the world's worst number of cases and deaths as it closed in on the 9 million mark. A senior Indian diplomat was summoned to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on Friday to register Pakistan's strong protest over ceasefire violations.